I'm here with Jay Woods, Chief Market Strategist at DriveWealth. Jay, great to see you on the floor this morning.
Good seeing you.
Let's talk about what's going on in the markets. Russia invaded Ukraine. We're seeing a bit of a sell-off in the market this morning. What are you seeing on the floor?
Yeah, I mean, this has been imminent for weeks, and now we finally have the battle ongoing. So, the floor is fearful, but no panic yet. First thing we did, risk management, made sure we knew where our circuit breakers were. We're not near hitting any 7% circuit breaker where we would pause. Things are running smoothly. We opened down 800, we're rebounding a little bit, but from a technical level, we're in a correction mode with the S&P 500, and a lot of the indexes are breaking down, so it's kind of scary.
Okay, so now when we see the markets down like this, what are traders focused on? Do you think circuit breaker is going to come into play today?
Yeah, we hope they don't come into play. Right now, we're rebounding off the opening. We'll see how the afternoon plays out into the close. But we're always ready for that event. It hasn't happened. We're looking at big names. For a long-term investor, you have a shopping list ready for a day like today. Because if it does get a little crazy, you want to put in that low ball bid that maybe you can buy something on sale. But we're still watching the headlines very closely to see if this escalates anything bigger. But it has been in the market, and maybe this is the capitulation moment. Doesn't feel like it, but that's what we're watching.
All right, let's talk about inflation. We're seeing a spike in commodities, a rise in oil prices. Do you think this is going to have a larger impact on the market?
Well, it's definitely having an impact on the market. Oil hit $100 today. My gas prices were up again this morning, thank God. Corn, oil, wheat. These are things that are going to affect the consumer. So, it's been spiking at record levels since the early 80s. And right now, it doesn't look like it's going to let up, and this could exacerbate things a little bit more.
Okay, now the Fed is meeting in a few weeks. Do you think current events are going to impact rate hikes?
I mean, now that we've gone through earnings season, and it went okay from a company point of view, but the stocks didn't react well. All eyes turn from Ukraine to the Fed and see what they're going to do. It looks like those rate hikes that we expected may not accelerate in the manner that some people were hoping they would. So in the next couple of weeks, we're going to see how that plays out. But rate hikes are on the table, but at what speed and the tone, that's what we're going to focus on.
All right, Jay Woods, thanks for joining me on Floor Talk.
Thanks for having me.